welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and Father's Day is just around the corner, and so I thought I would do a Father's Day tablescape. So today's video is in collaboration with two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Stephanie from Creatively MsMe and Vee-ology, or Vondessa from Vee-ology. And it is the Father's Day Tablescape 2020. And what the ladies asked us to do was feature a tablescape for Father's Day. You had to include a photo of the men in your life. So I will include a photo here. This photo is of my boyfriend. He is so sweet and loving. I am so blessed to have him. And it is also of my father, who has passed away, and also of my brother, who passed away last year. So these are the men in my life. I love them dearly. I miss my brother and my father so much, but I know they are looking down over us and watching over us and protecting us. I wanted to show you this Father's Day tablescape. So I've put this tablescape together using items that I had around my home. You have seen these items many times before. This centerpiece is my Coastal Glam centerpiece for the summer. I did not want to take it off the table, so I decided I would just incorporate my Father's Day centerpiece into it, so I didn't have to take everything off. So we're going to start here in the center. The name of my tablescape is called Bourbon and Brews, and we are serving some Woodford Reserve, and we are using our whiskey glasses that say New York City. I bought those for my boyfriend last year for Father's Day. The brews are Blue Moon Ale. I don't know if you've ever had Blue Moon before, but it's really good ale, and it has orange peel in it, and you pour it in a stein and you put a lemon, or not a lemon, a slice of orange in it, and it tastes oh so good. And to open our brews, we have this little can opener. I don't know if you can make it out. It says smile, there's beer, if I can get it to focus. But anyway, I thought that was cute. It matched the theme, so I added it to the tablescape. And now on to the place settings. I want it to be very masculine yet bold. So I have put together my Pier 1 place mats that you've seen many times before. I love them. They are so versatile. I can do anything with them, so I'm using those. I'm using my silverware, my black and gold silverware. I think it is so stunning, modern, very elegant. I am using that on the table. I am using my black chargers, which you guys have seen many times before. A tip, I didn't have enough black chargers, so this is actually a charger that I picked up from the Dollar Tree that I spray painted. As you can see, it's starting to chip, so I will have to refresh the paint on it. But just so you know, if you have items that are not the color you need, you can always paint them. You know, that is one of my favorite things to do. I am also pairing it with this wood plate, dinner plate. It came from Hobby Lobby. It was part of their spring shop, and it was 90% off last year, so I picked those up. Absolutely love them. And I have paired them with these wood napkin rings that I picked up from Pier 1. I got those on clearance several years ago, and these napkins came from Amazon. The only thing with using black is that it picks up so much fuzz. You always see every little speck of lint. But this is the tablescape. I'm sorry, the place setting. These glasses that I picked up on clearance from Home Goods right after they open. I have a haul coming up for you guys. These glasses are actually part of the haul. They were $2, so I had to get those. I love the shape of these glasses. so the guys can have their beer in these glasses. The little, I'm not sure what you call these. What are these called? I don't remember. If you know the name of these, leave me a comment down below. But I thought normally you use these when you make, gosh, why am I drawing a blank today? You use these when you are making mint juleps. I guess it's a mint julep cup, but anyhow, I thought it would be perfect for the guys to drink their bourbon in. If they didn't want to use those, we do have these glasses over here, and I do have several more. I just did not put them out on the Tablescape. Again, I'm using the centerpiece, my coastal centerpiece that I already had on the table. I did not want to take it off, and I think that I have incorporated it and married it perfectly. It still looks very masculine, very modern, and I think it is the perfect Father's Day tablescape. If you agree and you like this table setting, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the tablescape. Again, I put it together using items I already had around my home. I did not buy anything. And that is one of the reasons you should always shop your home. Don't go out and buy new things until you have shopped your home to see if there's something that you can use. It will save you a lot of money. So I want to thank Stephanie and Vondessa for hosting this collaboration. I really enjoyed putting together this tablescape. I always enjoy participating in these open tablescape collaborations. Tablescapes are one of the things I love to do. And I appreciate these ladies hosting the collab and making it an open invite. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love thrifting. I love DIYing and thinking outside of the box and turning trash into treasure. So if that is something you are interested in and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So here's one final look at our Father's Day tablescape. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, stylers.